we will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the glow. We're coming, make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Go, go.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we continue on with our 24 days of Knifemas. And it is December 5th, so we are going to be building this knife pictured right here. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the 5th day. On the 5th day of Knifemas, my true love gave to me. It's in this box. That's right. Well, let's just rip this open. There you go. and it's let's see. Well, it has an exploded parts diagram of the knife that we are making, front and back, Boker Plus, and its sign, and it's a neck gaiter, because nothing says pocket knife like a neck gaiter. Okay, so let's bring our... So far, this is everything up to December 4th, with this, of course, being December 5th, because, you know, when you go outside and it's a little chilly outside, the weather's a little frightful, but when you're wearing this Boker Plus signed neck gaiter, it's so delightful. So it might snow, but you're going to stay nice and warm thinking about your pocket knife. All right, so just imagine that. I might have gone to a California school, but I do believe there are 19 days left. So let's hope for some more clothing. Okay, it's been a long day at work. So my whole thing is I'm going to be doing my best to open one of these a day to share with you this journey that we're going on in celebration of Knifemas. And barring some crazy work things, because in my line of work, December is a time to move your screen printing shop. That's right. Mr. Rexu is a technician that works in the screen printing industry. And much like today, I am moving shops from one place to the other and reassembling their equipment so they can print t-shirts for good little knife boys and girls like you. You're welcome. All right, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, in 19 days, we're going to have a Merry Knifemas.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the glow. We're coming, make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute,